I want to start off by saying how happy I am that Carly's found her person. It truly takes a special person like Gabe to love someone with such a strong personality like Carly. Carly's been my best friend for the past 23 years. We've made lots of memories together. We may not have always seen eye to eye, but we always knew that we had each other's back. Gabe, you're lucky to have somebody like Carly to have your back. Carly, you're lucky to have someone like Gabe who handles your fighting spirit so well. I'm truly happy for both of you, and I can't wait to watch y'all grow together.
The two of you are a team. Nothing is singular anymore. Everything you do has to be for the success of your team. And even more importantly, everything you do and everything you build together has to be for God, because He is the reason every one of us is even here. You're blessed to have the family that you have, and we're always here for you for anything that you need. Gabe, honestly, deep down, you've always been my favorite brother. And I love you. Love you too, Carly.
Gabriel, today is finally here. The day that we know would come since we started dating. I've never loved you more than I do today, but I have always loved you. You're the person that I get to spend the rest of my life with, and I couldn't be happier. I'm so thankful that God has brought us together. You're the best man that I've ever known, and I know you will be the greatest husband to me. I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I've always said it, but I am beyond ready and excited to be your wife. I love you more than words could ever describe. Love, Miss Carly Murray.
Carly Marie, soon to be Frey. Finally, today's the day that we will be joined together in the holy sacrament of marriage. As you well know, I tend to get a little stressed by things, but I can honestly say that I have never been more confident in any decision that I've made. I love you, and I always will. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, forever. Today, I am honored and blessed to be yours. To spend the rest of my life by your side is a dream that will soon become reality. May God bless our marriage and everything that our future holds. I can't wait to see you and profess our love and commitment in front of God, family, and friends. Until then, take a deep breath. Know that I love you dearly, more than words could ever describe. Me, Gabe, your husband.